Hey guys, welcome back to Jaden's Small Engine Repair. Today we're working on this Toro 6.5 horsepower personal pace with the Tecumseh engine. The problem is the guy said it wouldn't start. He gave this to me because he tried fixing it. He put a new spark plug and everything in. I took that out because he had the wrong spark plug in it, but tried putting a new spark plug in it and it didn't work, so he just stopped working on it. I have a feeling on these Tecumsehs, the jets are really small, so I got a feeling that this carburetor is dirtied up and really messed up. So I'm gonna start working on this. Also, it has I put a new primer bulb on it, and it also has a new carburetor on it. I put a new carburetor and primer bulb on this thing. So it has all new stuff, and let's get to it, guys. You're going to need a 1/4 back ratchet with a 10mm socket, and you also need an 11mm socket to take off this muffler. Crank that off there. Nice. There we go, there's one. And if you check out Average Hack, it's my uncle's channel. Shout out to him. Also, man, I have to give my principal a shout out. Shout out to Dr. Break, guys. She gave me a John Deere riding lawnmower to fix. I had it fixed in 5 minutes. She wanted me to give her a shout out, so shout out to my principal. She's a very nice lady. She knows how to handle a lot of problems. She brought it over yesterday. I had it fixed in 5 minutes. Alright, now we got our muffler off. I think this is a weird shaped muffler, guys. That's what I always thought. It's like an L shape. Or bang, bang. That's how it is, but it's a good muffler. So you're gonna wanna, sometimes we have to take off these brittle top covers, but I think we're gonna need to, because I remember how everything goes back together. So you're gonna take out these two screws right here, these two Phillips head. It's a medium Phillips that's holding on this carburetor and this intake to the engine. Alright, now that fell off. Now since that came off, you're going to want to take this little lever right here. You're going to want to detach them both. You're going to want to see which one is on top. The one on top is the spring, so that's all I needed to know. Yours might be different, depending on what kind of Tecumseh or what brand you got. This is a Toro, so there's that. Yeah, make sure you put it on the right setting, man. So there's our carburetor. It's our carburetor. So we're gonna attach this fuel line. You're gonna have to go get me a flathead screwdriver. I don't know if there's any gas in the tank. I'll have to check. I don't know if I put gas in it last time I ran or not. Let's see. The tank is completely dry, so I dry last time when it was running, when I mowed the backyard with it, it ran fine. Pry off the fuel line. Also, I put a new fuel line on it. This isn't the fuel line that you'll get from the factory. So you guys will probably have a black, crappy braking fuel line. like the ones that they make nowadays, those lap ones that corrode over time. It's probably what you guys will have. Unless if you guys changed it. You can see our brazing job that we did on my uncle's channel. See it right there? That's the brazing job that we did on my uncle's channel. He has a YouTube channel too, it's called Average Hack, and he also has a barbecue channel called Rub Wars. So you guys need to check that out. Alright guys, come over here and we're going to clean this carburetor. No. Alright, so you need to get you 13, I'm pretty sure it is. Get off this bolt. Take off your bolt. You guys, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that jet is clogged seriously bad. Guys, look at that crap. You guys see that? There's a hole right there. Shouldn't be clogged, so that already tells us that's clogged. Carburetor is very clean, probably because it's a brand spanking new carburetor. I think I'm just gonna clean out this jet, then give it a nice little, give it a good blow job. Good. I'm gonna find my can. Wait a second, guys. Guys, very small wire, but I got two. You're going to get a very small wire and a can part player. This. You guys are going to need 14mm socket. Open up the bolt. Very small wire or whatever you guys can find. Smallest thing you guys can find. It'll work. A small spill, guys. We clean this up real quick. I like going to Walmart and getting my car cleaner because you guys like $1.69, but now it's up to like $3, but it's still definitely worth it because you never know when you're going to need one. If you need it, you'll have guys, I got what I need. I got these off Amazon for $1.69. I'd say it's a good investment. Never never know when you need them. Try one. There's probably a hole for it. And there's probably a stick for every type of hole. That's what I'm saying, guys. It's they've got what you need at that Walmart. Oh, we're gonna clean out these jets. Alright. I'm gonna lay down a paper towel. It doesn't make a mess. So we're gonna take our wire, the smallest wire we can. We're gonna have to go through that. Make sure you clean it real well with that. Welcome to my channel, guys. Today's project is this Toro lawnmower, and we're going to try to get it running today. We didn't already say that. Thanks for all your guys' likes. It's really going to help out my channel. It's just really hard to start a YouTube channel as a kid from scratch, because it's just not good. Well, guys, looks like it didn't clean out the holes, so we're going to have to go through with the brush now. We're going through with the brush. See how I went through with the brush? See, go through with the little mini brush. Same thing on top. Same thing on top. Just stick it through the hole. Clean out the hole real well. Now we wipe her out and put her back together. Let's just put a little carb cleaner in there just in case, just to get it going. There we go. Put a little bit of carb cleaner in there just for good luck. A little splash of go-go juice. Just pop that on. Tennis shoes and tennis shoelaces and oh man, there's tennis shoes. Oh man, there's tank shoes with pink shoelaces and man, tank shoes with pink shoelaces. Alright guys, there's our carburetor. Now let's put this baby back on, guys. Alrighty. Well, you're going to grab your Phillips screwdriver again, if you guys put it back or not. And make sure about your guys' linkages. Good thing I remember where they sit. You guys might have take pictures, but I remember where mine were. Probably your guys are the same as mine. So this little one with the spring would go on the top hole. If you guys are wondering, this is a 2013 model. You guys were wondering what it was. It is a 2013 model. Want to get your 2 bolts back again. You gotta put on this breather tube and everything first before you dang put on the muffler. You have to take off the muffler because it's in the way. Try to keep this video under 20 minutes. Maybe if I can. I upload every single day a week. Mostly, I update about 6 days a week. 6 times each week. So you guys will have a lot of content from me. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. I try to make good videos, but it's not easy. Tan shoes with pink shoelaces and 1, 2. Tan shoes with pink shoelaces. And shoes with pink shoelaces. There's pink shoes with pink shoelaces and pink shoes. A Toro. Tan shoes with pink shoelaces on them. Alright guys, put back together. Looks like we're already at 20 minutes, so I'm gonna bring this thing outside. I guess try to get it started. I guess we're gonna try to get this thing started, guys. Alright, guys, I'm gonna set you guys up here. I'm gonna set you guys up right here as I go in here and I try to start this thing up. Alright, guys, set you guys up right here. Try to start this thing up. If this thing doesn't start, then it wasn't the carburetor. I'm pretty sure it was because it started in back and forth. Sorry if you guys don't have you guys leave. Now I'm gonna mow the side yard real quick. I'm gonna show you guys mowing with it, and then you guys can see it works good. You guys see? Shoelaces. Alright guys, I'm gonna get to it. Big shoes with the shoelaces in. guys just saw it ran great. Looks like we're at 28 minutes. We checked the oil now that it's warm. Looks like the oil is perfect, guys. Well, that's me it for this video. Like and subscribe. Thanks. Leave a comment down below, too, for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks, guys. Bye.